Hey, welcome back. You're watching Tech at TV, and one of the things we saw at the Israeli Pavilion was another startup called SONARAX. SONARAX uses sound to control the way you communicate your smartphone with other devices by sound. Using ultrasound, inexpensive microphones, we're capable of sending sound waves from phone A to phone B. So we're very interested about this technology. It sounds very, very cool. And we're going to take a look at that right after this. Oh, we're right here at SONARAX. One more of these very interesting and cool technologies from Israel. So they make sense of sound. That's their slogan. And we're going to interview their spokesperson, vice president of the company. Just 1 second here. So tell us your name and tell us what SONARAX do.
So I'm Galit Lev-Ran,
Okay.
VP Customer Success for SONARAX.
Okay.
And what we do is something very innovative. We allow for data transfer between any two devices using nothing but audio sound. So ultrasonic sound waves that people cannot hear, but all devices support.
Okay.
And this works anytime, anywhere.
Any microphone.
Any microphone, any speaker, the cheapest one, the most expensive ones, all of them. And it can work underground, it can work in an airplane, it can work whether you're out of your country, it can work anywhere because we do not rely on existing networks. You don't have to be connected to the internet, no need for pairing, simply
No
audio,
Bluetooth.
nothing.
So you just say, basically, I'm listening to my most amazing tune, whatever song, and you can embed in the song some ultrasound code that I can be receiving my phone, and I can say, okay, I got a message from my family or something.
Exactly. This is one great use case. We can embed a sonic QR on any existing soundtrack.
Okay.
We can also use the ultrasonic data transfer for indoor positioning. So it can be if you are in a hospital and you need to find your way. There's
Right.
not an easy way to do it because GPS don't work.
Right.
Indoor positioning using ultrasonic sound waves can work very easily and reliably.
So you will be able to use a speaker system in the hospital
Exactly.
to inject the ultrasonic positioning waves, and then I should be able to navigate my way around in malls and in this place, for example, that there's no
Exactly.
GPS.
Exactly.
Like
So it's-
every time that I'm in a different position, it tells me that I'm outside. Even this phone right now, right?
Exactly. And the great thing about it is, as you said, you can use existing infrastructure of speakers, no need to install new hardware.
Okay.
And it's only a matter of audio, so no calibration, and it works like magic.
Perfect. Look, I'm very interested. You have a demo that we can see, or?
Of course.
Let's go and check out the demo, ladies and gentlemen. And then if you guys are, we're gonna go somewhere over there, or you can bring it over here. We have to go over there. So we're gonna go over there, and we're going to interrupt this meeting that these two gentlemen are having with the lady.
No, you can stay here. We will just.
So we're at the conference, guys. Remember that, and then we have to very limited space. Let me just put my backpack here. And we're going to come over here to the demonstration area,
Yes.
and we have a tablet and a phone.
Yes. And this is a demo,
Okay.
actually, of a mobile payment application.
Okay.
That wants to pay in front of a vending machine.
Okay.
Okay? So there's always this little gap of how do the phone know how much to pay and which vending machine to pay to.
Correct.
All
Yes.
right? So if I'll click on one of the items here, let's say that I want to buy a sneaker bar. Touch. Okay. So ultrasonically, the vending machine sent to my mobile device the amount to be paid and the ID of the vending machine.
So you can send encoded the whole signature, sign, 256-bit or 2000-bit encrypted, whatever you want.
Yep.
And it will be clear to
Yes.
the receiver, authenticate, validate. This is the machine. Pay.
Exactly.
Okay.
So all you need to do now is confirm, okay, of course, put in your PIN number, that's
Right,
what
yeah.
the app requires, and
Right.
the payment is completed.
And the payment is complete. Excellent. And what do software developers need to use your technology? Let's say I have a music application, or I have a sound system already that is doing certain
or a
payment application, yes.
Or
yes.
Any indoor positioning.
Do we need to
application.
purchase anything, but like maybe a license to your software?
Exactly.
Okay.
So we provide SDK to software developers for
Android, iPhone,
any operating system,
Linux,
Android,
whatever.
Every operating system, including, by the way, if you see here, this is a smart mic by our partner, Knowles, who are the world leaders in smart mics. Our SDK can run on the smart mic as well.
So you just basically have a firmware that is embedded inside the microphone. It doesn't need to have any software.
It is a software that is running on the smart mic. We take very low footprint.
So it's
both
just
for
small,
CPO
it's small firmware already. Boom, that's it.
Exactly.
Excellent. So you guys want something more sophisticated that is very specialized with this microcontroller, so you can call SONARAX, and it should be able to obtain some sort of license deal, right?
Yep.
Okay. And tell me, what's the cost of this licensing agreement? So, like, how do you work your business model?
So our business model depends on the customer and the volumes that they have. It's a license, a yearly license that to use our SDK, and the price is, of course, something that we need to negotiate with the customer.
Okay. So it could be a per use basis, or one lump sum payment, or whatever. So you're open, flexible to that. And the website is sonarax.com, I would assume, or?
You assume correctly.
Perfectly well. So we're very happy. It's very exciting thing now. So how do you compare yourself with? Have you heard of Linasar?
Of course.
So how do you compare with them, like in terms of performance?
So I can say that our technology is at the top of the edge of technology. If you're familiar with IEEE,
yes,
the standard organization, their annual conference of signal processing that was in 2018.
Okay.
Out of 2,800 applications for demoing project in their conference, only 8 were selected, and we were among them. That goes to show you that our technology is
top of the line.
The top of the top of the top.
And then you have some patents, I assume, behind it.
Of course we have.
Perfect. So we're interested, and thank you very much. And you guys are watching TechEd TV. Stay tuned for more on Israeli Pavilion.
Thank you.